Can you tell, guys? Can you tell? I straight up burnt my hair in the fire. I think I hate camping. Guys. I'm going camping for the very first time ever. Do we know what we're doing? Not so much. Barely booked a campground yesterday. Alright, so this might be the perfect time to start the vlog. So many things have gone wrong. Starter, we missed the gas station, so we didn't get the ice. My fault. We went to the destination based off GPS. Wasn't the right spot. My fault. What else? Oh, and then we finally get to the lodging, we get our stuff, whatever, and we get to our group camping site, and there's another car here, another family, and they said they booked both sites. Do we believe them? We're not sure, but they said that they paid for both, but I don't know why they'd overbook us. So interesting. Great start to our camping experience. Brandon, you gonna start a fire?
Ceiling on it. In your mouth while you gone and I'm gone. Don't know why they started me, more than why they started me. I bring it to the front door like you ordered me. But a lot more rich.
No fire.
Straight ahead is a redneck. They're hard to find over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attack it. I'm gonna kill it with a spear. Spear will hopefully puncture the lungs. He'll try running away, but then he'll end up dying. We just gotta follow the blood. Alright.
So dumb. That's a big shot.
That's not his side.
I even like that more.
No, I meant like stop.
Cheers, mate.
Okay. Loser has to take 2 shots back to back.
One shot. Chase
One
it with
shot.
Yeah, chase it with another drink though. Alright, ready?
Ready? Hold on, they have to count down.
On 3, ready. 1, 2, 3. And then Brandon comes in second.
Cassidy the glizzy clobber.
Sore loser? Yes. Okay, baby. Hit the dirt. Go. Who's gonna finish? Oh, Landon. We made it.
4.5 hours later.
Such a hard hike.
Half a hydro and 16 beer.